Take a step back, guys. It looks as if Google has finally introduced Gemini 2.0, their brand new model for the agentic era. Touted to change everything that we thought about AI and how we interact with them, we all just cannot wait until we get to make use of this AI model. Multimodal AI agents. One of the most interesting features of this Gemini 2.0 is that it gives us new kinds of multimodal AI agents that will be able to see and hear the world around the user. Just take a look at how it enables Project Astra, their research prototype of what they considered to be a universal AI assistant. With abilities such as multimodal memory and real-time information, Project Astra is perfect for helping the user understand the world they live in. For starters, it is multilingual, so it can help pretty much anyone who may use its native audio to seamlessly make the switch from one language to another. Then there is Project Mariner, the AI model that helps come with agents that can help the user complete tasks on their behalf. As such, users will be excited about this because they can ask it to perform tasks that may require multiple steps. The agent is able to do this because it can make use of the data found on the internet to take action and find exactly what the user is looking for. This Gemini 2.0 is also great because it can be applied across several domains and platforms. As such, you may find that they can help you explore spaces such as those that can be found in the virtual world, such as video games, for example. As great as it is as an assistant in the virtual world, Gemini 2.0 and its agents can also be used to understand the physical world. The user may find that it is useful when applied to robotics, for example. Its agents can assist the user with what they may need to do in their physical environment, and as such, many cannot wait to learn more about it, so they make sure they make their way to deepmind.google/Gemini. With such tools in place, let's take an in-depth look at how individuals can use Google's Gemini and its agents in the real world. Project Astra. When applied in the real world, you may find that Project Astra is ready to assist the user in any sort of task, ranging from doing their laundry to finding places to go shopping. Using optic devices on your mobile device or computer, the user can even use Project Astra to obtain information on many real-life objects that they may interact with as they make their way through the real world. Truly amazing, as it can touch on any topic ranging from maths and science to language and socio-political issue. It can even help people with directions as they make their way through towns they may have never visited. It can even help people interact with others in languages they have never been able to speak in real time. Indeed, as they find that Astra can be used on their Google Glasses and other similar visual devices, users may find that they do not know how they manage to make it through life without this amazing Gemini 2.0 AI model and its agents. Project Mariner. Next up, we take a look at the research prototype that can be used to explore the future of human-agent interaction as we make use of more AI models such as Gemini. Eager to make sure that they get things right, especially as we consider how useful and delicate such a piece of technology like this may be, you'd find that the guys at Google have been working hard with a group of trusted testers so that they could use their experience to create the best possible AI agent they can. As such, we can see how Mariner evolved up to what it is today. Right now, users can make use of Project Mariner because it is being used as an experimental extension on the Google Chrome internet browser. Let's try it out by entering a prompt. Let's ask it to create a list of companies on Google Sheets as a test. We can add more tasks to the process by asking Mariner to make sure that it adds the contact information of these companies as it compiles this list. This is just a small example of some of the boring tasks we may need to carry out in the course of work or any other sort of event that we may need to complete in the course of our day. After entering such a prompt, just take a seat back and watch as Mariner reads Google Sheet to know the company names. Once it is done with this, it will then go searching through Google for benchmark climbing. As it clicks into the website, we can see how the research only works when the user is making use of the active tab. Once it gets the contact information, we can see how it moves on to the next company on the list until it finally completes said list. What's also cool about the agent is that at any point in time or for whatever reason, you can put a stop to this process without any problems. Another cool aspect of Project Mariner is that there is also a user interface in which we can get a look at how the AI agent is reasoning as it completes the task given to it. As great as this prototype may be at this point in time, It is really exciting to watch because even as we speak, the guys at Google are working hard to make sure it gets even faster and smoother than what we saw in this demo. Hopefully, over time, we can actually see the full potential of this fantastic AI model. Gemini image output. As great as Project Mariner is, people may even be more impressed by what they find in Gemini 2.0 when they look at how Gemini can be used to natively output images. With Gemini 2.0, you can carry such a task out with ease, as it can now natively generate images while taking part in conversation with it. For example, if you want to change the image of this car to that of an image of a convertible without Gemini, even with some AI tools, you will have to go through the arduous task of manually masking parts of the car to pull this off, or write some annoying and complex code to make this simple conversion. Well, it looks as though such days may have come to an end, as now all we have to do is take the image to the AI studio so that we can send it to the experimental Gemini 2.0 Flash model. That way, it can perform a real-time screen capture and other prompts that early testers and any other sort of user could try as they attempt to convert their images. With the prompt given, users can see how this AI model can easily generate the image of the convertible. Notice how consistent this AI model's results are. Those in the know will appreciate how difficult this is, especially when they have made use of many other AI tools that just can't seem to pull this off. This level of production is not only for simple tasks such as converting such a car to convertible. No matter how difficult the prompt may seem to be, it always seemed to pull it off. The model seems to keep going until LT gives the user exactly what they want. This is amazing because all these results come from tokens that come from the model. The ability to output across modalities, interleaving text and images together, makes it a cut above other AI models. As such, we may actually one of the best AI models that will help us co-create with AI with ease. Crisp, clear, and easy to manipulate, this is one major step for Google and its bid to make one of the best AI image generative models out there. Gemini Audio. As great as the AI assistant and the AI image generator may be, users will find that they love the new Gemini 2.0 when they come across the native audio output of Gemini 2.0. With this agent, users can make use of the multilingual native audio output found there. With the use of prompts, you can make audio files that sound almost as realistic as the voice of a human being. It has even been used to make the audio files of some videos that you've listened to on platforms such as YouTube.